Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Today we're doing another review on yet another surveillance camera. I got this in the mail the other day, and I opened the box, and inside the box was this. This is a MECO wire-free security battery camera. I've never had one with a battery in it, so I'm pretty excited. My first impression, just taking it out right now, right, is it's heavy, really heavy, like 1.5 pounds, you know? So it's wire-free, no wires, right? Fine HD. It's rechargeable. It has motion detect, has a 120-degree viewing angle. It has night vision, meaning infrared, has two-way audio, like an intercom, like my MECO doorbell. Micro SD, and most importantly, it's an outdoor device, so it's waterproof. From MECO ELEVERDE. You guys may know about the MECO ELEVERDE. They sent me a doorbell Wi-Fi camera, which was really super easy to install and actually works very well. That's probably one of my favorite surveillance cameras. But initially, when I was offered to do a review on this, I was thinking maybe I shouldn't, because I've got so many security cameras around the house. My house is like Fort Knox. Anyway, but then I thought about it, and I'm like, well, actually, there is one part of my house that is not surveyed. It's my right side gate, you know? That area of the house is actually not covered by any of these cameras. So now I'm gonna open this box and let's see what's in the box! So here we go. Take the sleeve off. Do not charge the camera in environments below 0 degrees Celsius. We're getting close. It's cold out today, man. Instruction manual. Get out of here! We don't need any instructions. Forget about it. Since I've installed so many Wi-Fi cameras, I'm an expert now. Well, I mean, not really. Anyway, so this is obviously the mounting bracket. 3 holes, zip, 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 and you could adjust in different directions, you know, up, down, left, right, all that. I'm doing this on my Craftsman LT1000 hood because, you know, a garage has no real tables and all. Might as well use what's around, you know what I mean? All right, well, you got me. I have no idea what this is. It's heavy, though. And this is steel. The ball, the half ball is steel. I may have to look at the directions after all. I'll try not to, though. Micro USB cable. Screw and reset tool with an anchor. 2 double-sided pads, you know, like the 3M kind, but it doesn't say 3M, so it's not 3M. I suppose you could just print 3M on it and people think it's 3M. Anchors and 3 screws for this, mounting this. And here it is, the last part of this box. Nicely packaged. Man, this is heavy. It's very heavy. I know I'm not supposed to remove it until they tell me to, but what the hell? I'm a rebel like that, you know what I mean? Wow. Looks nice, huh? I wonder what this is for, though. This part here. And it says it's waterproof, but look, it has holes here. Let me figure out what this is for. So with this bracket, obviously you can mount it this way, right? Just screw that on, and you could pivot it whichever direction you want by loosening this. See? So you can mount it. You can turn the directions. You can do high or low. This needs some Earl. It's not very smooth. Anyway, that's that mounting thing. But I don't know how that works with this thing here. Wow! That's the reason why this is so heavy. It's because there's a very heavy magnet in here. And this is metal because it's supposed to stick there. Now that's a much better mounting, you know, technique. Instead of drilling 3 holes into whatever, your house or something like that, and having this swivel, right? Apparently I could just put a screw into the wherever I want to mount it, right? And this goes in there, and you pull down on it so it goes to the thinner part of that hole. And then to mount it, you just go like that. And you could turn it any which way. Up, down, sideways, down, up. It's a very strong magnet. So then you'll mount this like high up somewhere, right? And then when the battery runs out, I believe, you know, you have to recharge this after the battery runs out, right? You just take it off, and there's an area there where you plug in your micro USB port, right? And charge it for a day or something like that. And then it's good for however long, you know. And then when you're ready to mount it again after it's fully charged, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use that. I'm not gonna. See that? Very strong magnet. I like that a lot. That's really cool. Forget about it. I'm not using this. I'm not using these double-sided pads because it's winter time. It's like 28 degrees outside. It's not going to stick to anything. But in the summertime, I guess you could, right? Very cool. I had to look at the instructions really quick because I couldn't figure out how to turn it on. You know what I mean? There's no buttons anywhere, you know, because it's waterproof. So I figured it was under here, and it says just lift this thing over here. Little rubber thing. Inside you have the USB input to charge it. You got a reset button and a power button and a slot for a micro SD card, which it does not come with, even though it says on the box SD card. I only have a 1 gigabyte one, which doesn't record very much, but usually these are on a loop. So it's only from my gate, you know what I mean? So I don't think it's that important. I'm having trouble sticking it in the hole. Kind of feels like it sticks out too much, doesn't it? Like it's supposed to go all the way in, but doesn't. That's what she said! Anyway, so you just press the button here. Well, that's less than ideal. It just popped out. Oh, I see. I had it backwards. Alright, so I got it in there. I had it up upside down. So let's press the reset button to start it. 5 seconds, it says. Oh, okay, so I have a red light on that's blinking. So now you whip out your phone, see, and you're supposed to download the app Cloud Edge, which I already downloaded. I already downloaded Cloud Edge, and the first thing that comes up is my doorbell, see? So I'm gonna press add, and it's a battery camera. Press the battery camera button to wake the device if it's asleep. Please stay near your router for the best signal. It's blinking, so I'm going to press next. It says to reset it, but I just resetted it, right? So I'm going to try it anyway. And it says wait for a flashing red indicator, which it is. I'm going to press next again. There's my Wi-Fi network, which I'm not going to show you. I'm going to confirm, say OK. Then it says that I should put this close to the QR code it's going to flash. There's a QR code. So I can't hear it go off. So I'm going to reset it again, like it said. 5 seconds on the reset button. Red light, stop blinking. Okay, I just reset it. It's blinking again. Oh, I had it upside down. I should have done it anyway. So it went doo-doo. So now it's connecting. We'll see how long it takes to connect. I'll come back to you when it connects. Oh, it connected. All right, cool. It says device found, but it has 2 devices. But I recognize this one as being that, so press done. Check that out. It's already connected, see? Awesome. Well, that was easy, huh? There we go. Mowers and blowers. Cool. So we've got the menu item here. I've relabeled it back gate. Receive alert notifications, device share, device information, installation guide, basic functions, power saving settings. Here's the motion detection area. So you can set it to be low sensitivity or high sensitivity, right? I don't want stuff to be always so high, so I leave it on low. Alarm intervals, and you got a lot of settings here for day detection or night detection. And you have an alert plan too, which you can do. So there's quite a lot of functions on here if you wanted it to. But that's it right there. Works very well. Also, it has an intercom too, so check this out. So if you press intercom, I'm going to use the double-sided tape to cushion it a little bit. Just put a screw in there, the hole, and pull down. And there you go. That's on there. Now I'm going to match up my phone to whatever it's showing. Okay, as you guys can see, or maybe you can't here. There we go. There it is. Now I can see my entire right side of my house. And what's more important is the gate area. Because every time my dog Bobo wants to go outside, we want to make sure those two gates are closed so he doesn't run outside on the street. So now I could see that the gate is locked and closed so he won't run out. Awesome. It was easy to install. As you can see, here it is, right up there. And it's easily mounted and easily adjustable. And it gets everything that's coming into this gate. Awesome. So that's great. I really like it. It works really well, very easy to install. As you know, MECO ELEVERDE also makes my MECO doorbell Wi-Fi camera. It acts just like a ring or a Nest, you know, and I use it a lot. It really works and it helps out, you know. MECO also made this hand scrubber machine. This has also worked well too. And this is also made by MECO ELEVERDE. So this MECO ELEVERDE battery Wi-Fi smart camera, so easy right out of the box. It was fully charged, just turn it on, made it with the Cloud Edge app. Choose which one, set it up with your Wi-Fi, put a screw wherever you want to put it, mount it with the double-sided tape, with the magnet mount. Super easy to install. I mean, that didn't take more than 15 minutes to install this Wi-Fi camera. So now my entire property is under surveillance with the ease of me seeing whatever's going on, getting notifications from any kind of movement, day, night, whenever. And it's waterproof and wireless, so the installation was super easy. It sells for $69.99 on Amazon.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Thank you very much to MECO ELEVERDE for sending me yet another one of your products. One app controls 2 of my cameras, so I love it. I think it's fantastic. I look forward to doing some future MECO products, but in the meantime, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell so you can see the post notifications and you'll always know when there's a new video. Thanks a lot for following me along today's review video. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Ooh.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.